Emerging clinical research is highlighting a promising, low-cost strategy for supporting brain health as we age: supplementation with vitamin B3, specifically in the form of nicotinamide. This water-soluble vitamin, long recognized for its role in energy metabolism, is now being studied for its potential to enhance mitochondrial function, protect neurons from age-related stress, and support measurable improvements in cognitive performance. Early clinical evidence suggests that this inexpensive and widely available intervention could play a meaningful role in preserving memory, attention, and overall brain resilience, offering hope for a practical, everyday approach to healthy cognitive aging. The recent trials have focused on adults aged 60 and older, many of whom exhibited mild cognitive complaints or early biomarkers of neurodegeneration. Participants received daily doses of nicotinamide over several weeks to months, while researchers monitored cognitive performance through standardized memory and executive function tests. In parallel, blood samples and imaging studies were used to assess mitochondrial function and markers of neuronal health. The twin or controlled designs of some trials allowed scientists to control for genetic and lifestyle factors, isolating the effects of nicotinamide on cellular energy production and cognitive outcomes. A key mechanism behind these benefits lies in mitochondrial resilience. As we age, mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of our cells, tend to lose efficiency, generating more oxidative stress and contributing to neuronal vulnerability. Nicotinamide is a precursor for NAD+, a critical coenzyme involved in cellular energy metabolism, DNA repair, and the regulation of sirtuins, which are proteins that help maintain mitochondrial and genomic stability. By boosting NAD+ levels, nicotinamide supports mitochondrial function, helping neurons generate energy more efficiently, withstand oxidative stress, and maintain their connections with neighboring cells. This effect is particularly significant in the brain, where energy demand is high and neuronal networks are sensitive to disruptions. The cognitive outcomes observed in these early studies are encouraging. Participants receiving nicotinamide supplementation demonstrated improvements in memory recall, working memory, and attention tasks compared with placebo groups. Even modest gains, such as faster recall of word lists, enhanced pattern recognition, or improved task-switching abilities, translate into meaningful day-to-day benefits, helping older adults maintain independence, navigate complex daily tasks, and engage more confidently in social interactions. Importantly, the intervention appears most effective when combined with a generally healthy lifestyle, including regular physical activity, balanced nutrition, and mental stimulation, which together create a supportive environment for brain health. Beyond cognitive performance, nicotinamide supplementation also shows promise in improving markers of cellular resilience. Blood tests revealed enhanced mitochondrial enzyme activity and reduced indicators of oxidative damage, suggesting that the brain's cellular machinery is functioning more efficiently and is better protected against age-related stressors. Neuroimaging studies in some participants also hinted at preserved structural integrity in memory-related regions, including the hippocampus, which often experiences shrinkage with age. These findings reinforce the biological plausibility that nicotinamide can exert both preventative and restorative effects at the cellular level, providing a mechanistic foundation for the cognitive benefits observed. Accessibility and safety further enhance the appeal of nicotinamide as a potential cognitive support strategy. Unlike specialized pharmaceuticals or costly therapies, nicotinamide is inexpensive, widely available, and generally well tolerated when taken at recommended doses. Mild gastrointestinal discomfort is rare, and serious adverse effects are uncommon at the levels tested in clinical trials. This combination of affordability, safety, and biological plausibility positions nicotinamide as a practical option for broad use among older adults seeking proactive, everyday measures to protect cognitive health. The broader implications of this research are exciting. As populations age worldwide, strategies that are cost-effective, safe, and evidence-based are increasingly valuable for public health and quality-of-life considerations. Nicotinamide supplementation could be integrated into daily routines, educational outreach programs, and community health initiatives aimed at preserving cognitive function, supporting independent living, and enhancing overall well-being. In addition, by combining nicotinamide with other lifestyle interventions, such as a Mediterranean-style diet, regular aerobic exercise, and cognitive engagement, older adults may experience additive or synergistic effects that further bolster brain resilience. Perhaps most encouraging is the empowerment this approach provides. Rather than feeling passive in the face of age-related cognitive decline, older adults can take tangible steps to support their neural health. A daily, affordable supplement represents a simple yet science-backed action that reinforces agency, allowing individuals to participate actively in maintaining memory, attention, and overall brain function. The research underscores a broader principle in healthy aging. Small, consistent, and biologically informed interventions can yield measurable benefits, creating a ripple effect that enhances daily functioning, emotional well-being, and long-term cognitive resilience. In conclusion, early clinical evidence suggests that nicotinamide, a cost-effective form of vitamin B3, may protect the aging brain by enhancing mitochondrial resilience, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting measurable improvements in memory and cognitive performance. While further studies are needed to refine optimal dosing and identify which populations may benefit most, the findings provide a compelling, practical, and hopeful approach for older adults. By integrating nicotinamide supplementation into daily routines, alongside other healthy habits, individuals have a science-backed pathway to support neural energy, preserve memory, and maintain cognitive vitality, illustrating that even simple, affordable interventions can have a meaningful impact on lifelong brain health.